Hey guys, what's going on? It's John. We're over at Sunstoppers Lake Norman. We're doing our PPF training class today. We're actually doing a full week with these guys. Typically we do a 3-day training, but if you need more time or if you have custom things you want to work on, we can extend that. But 3 days covers the basic rundown on, again, the proper prep, the installation, squeegeeing techniques, solutions, and then how to learn and read the patterns and read the film and what it's doing. So we got you covered.
Hey, Mike Burke here. I'm with John, one of our national trainers for Sunstoppers. If you're interested in getting paint protection training, see John or myself or Thad. We will be more than happy to assist you and see what accommodations you need. We do travel. We do charge a lot extra to come to you, but if you would like to come here and see our nice facility, we have 2 students here today that are here from New Jersey, from Eurotech. They're super impressed. They're ready to go back and impress their boss. John is an incredible installer. John, how many years do you have?
I've been installing 10 years myself.
10 years. This guy is absolutely a genius when it comes to paint protection. And if you guys need anything, please visit us at sunstoppers.com. Appreciate it. Have a good day.